Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to manage inventory, how to show that inventory level to your customer, as well as how to restrict them from ordering when inventory of your particular item goes out of stock. So let's dive in. The first thing we need to do is import the products, but this time before importing we need to make sure that we are importing it with the inventory. So when we go into bulk import, we first need to make sure that your inventory column is switched on. So by default this is not switched on, so you click here and you make sure that this is ticked. When this is ticked, this time you're going to actually download your products with the inventory. And as you can see that the quantity is right here. Let's say if I were to actually put in quantities of, let's say, 10 for all the products, I'm just resetting it to 10. And save this. When I save this and I copy this and I upload the products once again, this time all the products have been updated with the minimum inventory. Now once this has been done, what you need to do is you need to go into your shop settings and you're going to say show available quantity. I'm going to find it because I'm not being able to find it directly. And it's in shop settings, show available quantity, and I'm going to tick this yes. Now, not only have you updated the inventory, but that inventory will now be available to the customer while they're ordering. If we don't want that to happen, we can just hide it. It'll still manage the inventory, but it'll just not show up to the customer. Let me just show it to the customer once again. And when I show it to the customer, your actual inventory will start showing up. Let's say if I were to order, and I were to order, let's say 8 pieces, and I'll check out, and I check out, I'm basically placing an order of 8 pieces for that particular item, which is Ayurvedic chai masala. I'm going to save this, check out. Okay, I forgot to put in the city. And check out. Now, if I were to go directly to Ayurvedic chai masala from here again, what you'll see that the available quantity is now 2. In order for the customer, or if you want that the customer should not order more than 2 items, so let's say if he were to go beyond 2, he should be given a message and he should not be allowed to do that. I'm just going to remove this cart quantity for now. We can search for restrict purchase of out of stock items, and we are going to actually restrict the user from purchasing something which is out of stock. And once we've done that, when we refresh, the user will not be able to add more than 2. So when he adds more than 2, he'll not be able to. I'm trying to click, but he'll not be able to do that. I'm going to place an order with 2 before somebody else grabs it. I'm going to put in my city, check out. And I have my thank you page. If I go back into my Ayurvedic chai masala, it's going to show me that it is out of stock because it is restricting the customer to further order this product. Even if I were to actually look at this product out here, and let's say it was Ayurvedic chaat masala, Must be in grocery. It's actually restricting the customer from doing that from here as well. Rather than showing the add button, it's showing out of stock. That's about it. Thank you.